forge this rune necklace, the material I'm starting with is 1/2 inch by 3/16 bar stock. The first step is to create the loop the necklace will hang from. Forging something this small can be tricky, and I have to be careful with my hammer strikes, since one wrong move could ruin the piece. Next, I thin and flatten the metal to make the pendant light enough to wear. After creating the loop, I hand chisel the rune. This Viking rune is called Uruz. It symbolizes strength, vitality, courage, and unbounded primal energy. By the way, if you've made it this far, and we haven't met before, my name is Corey, and I sell my blacksmithing work in my Etsy shop, which you can find in the link in the description. If you want to see more of my work, then subscribe. Once the necklace is shaped and engraved, I use my hot cut to cut it off. I use the belt sander to finish smoothing and refining the shape of the pendant. Once it's done, I heat it one more time to give it an even, blackened finish, and then I apply hot wax to protect it. And here's how it turned out. Would you wear this? Let me know in the comments.